First, take out the aircraft fuselage and connect the fuselage with the tile body as the video showing. Next, untighten the screw to open the gimbal cover. Pressing the close side of the connection switch while holding the fuselage and the tile till it is completely tightened. Disassemble the top cover and the parts. Install the vehicle battery as the video showing. Make sure the connection of the wire with the small end is tight and the battery is in the right place. When the installation of the vehicle battery is done, connect the wire with big end of the top cover, downside of the top cover, to the battery and put the top cover back. Parts and install it well. Now, tear off the tape and stick on the pitot tightly. Open the display stand and put on the aircraft. Flip the aircraft fuselage upside down. Put it on the display stand and pin the battery cover. Be careful, the airspeed tube put in front of the stand. Remove the battery stabilizer on the side rail. Aim the rail side and the bottom of the battery to the side trace. Slide it into the fuselage and connect the power port. The first battery should connect with the longer cord. The battery at the right position should be in line with the line mark on the slide rail. The second battery should connect with the shorter cord. Then install the battery stabilizer with a screwdriver on the front end of the slide rail after the battery installing, and make sure it is fixed and stable. The second battery also needs to in line with the line mark. Please make sure the batteries and install tight and stable. Finally, put the cover back after battery installed.